Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing tradergifted.com. So as you can see right here, we have the site here pulled up. And basically, if you don't know what the site is, they basically give you $700 just by doing the simple steps to claim your $700. So right off the bat, this seems too good to be true. And if you're wondering if this is legit or not, the short answer is no. Obviously, it's not legit. So I found some posts here on Reddit to back up my claims. So as you can see, this person said, "Is TraderGifted.com legit?" Basically, a lot of people are saying that no, it is not legit. Um, Absolutely not legit scam site. Do you also believe there are multiple singles in your area waiting to chat on you? And yeah, so basically, Reddit said that it's fake. Also here on malwaretips.com. So here they go in depth on how the victims are lured to the site, which is malvertising, social media ads, spam emails, and a lot more. And also here on Scam Advisor, they're rated 1 out of 100, which is obviously a red flag since they're obviously a scam, and they have a lot of negative highlights. So that should say a lot about this site. And basically, if you just look at their site, they didn't even try and design it. So yeah, please do not use or enter any information into this website since they're very obviously a scam. So that is it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.